So with my primer applied off camera and my wig pulled back by this really cute headband, I take some Maybelline concealer next under my eye bags and to cover any blemishes and also to prime my eyes. Then wet your sponge and blend it all out. So with my L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, I take that and blend it all around my face. I dipped my sponge too hard, so that's why the makeup doesn't look that good, but I do fix it off camera. After the foundation dries, I seal it off with some CoverGirl pressing powder. Now the eye look for this is actually very simple. So I use my Beauty Gems eyeshadow palette and apply this really light pink shade. Then this reddish brown color in my crease. Then I take that same eyeshadow color I put in my crease and put it under my lower lash line. I really don't know why it's so hard to see, because when I filmed this, it was so visible, but the camera, failed to show it. So next, anyway, I'm taking my Maybelline liquid eyeliner and I'm doing a really small wing. Despite still not having any fake top lashes at the time, I'm still choosing to curl my eyelashes and coat some mascara in them. But I encourage you to do this anyway, or the makeup won't look right. I do, however, have fake bottom eyelashes. These eyelashes are from Amazon, and these lower lashes I cut. And because I made the bottom lashes too short, I take some liquid eyeliner and draw on some more bottom lashes just to make it look more natural. And I just took an eyeshadow that matched my eyebrow color to my wig. So this lipstick is from L'Oreal, a natural tone. And the final step is putting blush under my eyes and my upper cheek in this peach shade. Now, I don't think this is my strongest makeup look I've ever done, but it is still visually gorgeous, and I really can't fault myself for that. But anyway, I hope you really like it, and I'll see you in my next makeup tutorial, hopefully.